Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If there is water leaking from inside your fridge, then it could be one of several problems. In this episode, we'll inspect the water filter and the reservoir. Then we'll check the defrost line. Let's get started. One source of leaks is from the water filter. The filter is usually in the fridge compartment. In some models, it might be located behind the kick plate. If there is a leak coming from the filter, then it's possible that it's not seated correctly. If you reinstall the filter and it still leaks, then it could be an issue with the filter base. You can see how to install a new filter base in the video link below. The water reservoir ensures that there's cold water available on demand. Check if the connections are secure, and look for any cracks in the plastic. If the housing is damaged, then water might leak into the fridge. In this case, it's best to install a new reservoir. You can see how to do this in the video link below. If water's leaking and you notice a buildup of ice in the freezer, then it could be a clogged drain line. When the freezer runs a defrost cycle, the heating element melts the ice off of the evaporator coils. This water flows into the drain pan and evaporates over time. If the drain line is blocked with ice or debris, then it will not drain properly. In a top freezer model, this water might spill over and leak into the fridge compartment. In a side-by-side or bottom freezer model, this water might leak through the front of the freezer. To unclog the drain line, you'll likely have to defrost the freezer. You can learn more in the video linked below. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.